How much boost were you running before you blew up the 392?
7 pounds.
That's it?
Yeah.
Is it fast? What is that thing? Woohoo! That thing can boogie! This thing. Holy hell! When he accelerated.
Yeah. I don't know what he has on there.
I don't either. My guess would be procharger.
Yeah. It's fucking dirty. You don't even drive it. It's getting dirty.
No, it is from the they buffed it the other day. It's fucking god. Shit. Yeah, that's what it is.
So what's happening here?
It's got
so
a
we got a
lower end, 6.4 heads, 6.1 intake, and 4.6 race supercharger with 18 lower on it. Makes about 15 pounds of boost. It makes 860 to the wheel.
So we got a little bit of power.
A little bit.
Okay. Have you taken it to the drag strip?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
On pump gas, it runs 1044 all day.
That's good. Yeah. That's real good.
Yeah, you were consistent. Consistent. Yeah, consistent.
So it started off as a 392?
It was a 392. I put the lower on it, I blew it up, and then I built it. So that's exactly.
Hey, you live and learn, man, you know?
I didn't leave anything out.
Is my name
No,
still in
it's on the
there?
back of the motor.
It's on the
My
back of the
sister's name was on it.
My sister.
How much boost were you running before you blew up the 392?
7 pounds.
That's it?
Yeah. But I fucked up. I didn't tune it. So I just.
What do you mean you didn't tune
I
it?
didn't tune it. I put the blower on and I drove it home and I blew it up.
Oh.
Because I was just.
So you weren't even riding around with it for long before you.
Not long at all. Well, I'm glad I did because I wouldn't have this.
So you blew the 392 up and then you went out and got a whole new.
Everything.
What is this, a crate motor?
No, it's not great.
Did you upgrade the transmission or anything like that in here?
Nothing.
And you run it no problems.
No problems.
And the fence.
What are you making in torque with this setup?
About 700. About that. That's right. Yeah. I got it on paper somewhere.
That's fun. That is. When you blew past me, I was like, he's making power.
Yeah, they hooks, man.
You can't help but smile when you drive it.
Yeah. It sounds great. So no resonators, no
Yeah, it's got,
no mufflers.
It's got 3 stainless long screw headers on it to a full attack system. It's got.
There you go. Yeah, okay, now I know.
So what's going on in the back here?
So, I got the new Mickey Thompsons.
Is this a 15 or a 16-inch conversion or something?
No, this is a 17-inch wheel.
Okay.
But with the new Mickey Thompson, the 315/50, they just came out with this with the different sidewall.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So, and then I have all BMR arms. My diff brace is AAD. Stock drive shaft, stock axles.
It's so clean looking. Do you debadge the hell out of it? So
Yeah, I just took everything off.
that's smart.
Yeah.
I like that. People are probably gonna be like, it
Nobody
has
knows
to be a
what-
Hellcat.
Everybody thinks it's a Hellcat.
Yup.
But it's a Daytona.
You even took the Daytona badging off.
Yeah,
Oh.
all of it off. Everything.
Wow.
The seats are the only thing with Daytona left.
So why did you debadge it?
Honestly, it's a black car, and I feel like a black car should be a black car with no badges on it, you know?
Because I think it looks clean
It's
as
clean
hell.
as hell, yeah.
Yeah, crank it up. Where's she going with his car?
I don't. Just doing a loop, I guess.
And then I come to find out that's number 90.
It's not done yet.
Man, looks a whole lot better than mine, man, I'll tell you that.
Any performance upgrades?
Just an oil catch can and air intake, and I did a Flowmaster exhaust.
That makes it sound much better.
Yeah. But I'm looking to get it. It's got to get a tune because it's got to be because everything is different. So if I get a tune, it should run a little better.
Okay. Have you looked into any particular ones? Nothing yet? Okay.
Well, I know Marion. You know who Marion is with the Red Challenger.
Uh-huh.
I gotta maybe ask her. She does a lot of her cars tuned by somebody else.
Even just a standard like 93 tune, we'll get that 5.7 ripping, you know? Nice, man. So what year is this?
16.
I'm gonna miss this wrap though.
Check this out. It reflects. Look at my picture.
Oh, that's really
Isn't that
cool.
cool?
Yeah. Come on, lady. You come here with some bird shit on your stuff. Come on. All right.
I haven't seen it inside yet. I've never really.